we, myself and President Uhuru Kenyatta, did agree that we want to bring the country together, to bring the people of Kenya together to think as one people, to deal with issues of ethnicity, issues of gender inequality, issues of disability in our country, so that our country can be able to achieve and realize its potential, so that we can be able to realize the Kenyan dream, that plenty will come through the sweat and toil of our people. And that cannot be if 1/2 of the population is excluded from the nation building.
And moving forward with the document that is being prepared, we are sure he is going with His Excellency the President to protect those gains and they are captured as we move forward. We also did discuss COVID is going to be with us for a long time, but we cannot just sit and wait when it will be post-COVID. That's why we needed to engage so that we can capture what we need to do even as COVID is being fought, so that more women and men, because there is a gender dimension in it,